Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform a spectacular catch in College Football 27. It's actually pretty easy once you know the right setup. Any receiver in the game can make a spectacular catch, but players with higher catching and spectacular catch ratings will pull them off much more consistently. The most important part is throwing a high pass. To do that, hold LB on Xbox or L1 on PlayStation while pressing the button of the receiver you want to target. This places the ball higher than normal, giving your receiver a chance to make a more difficult catch. As the ball is traveling through the air, switch onto your receiver by pressing B on Xbox or circle on PlayStation. Once you are controlling the receiver, continue holding LB or L1 as the ball arrives. Combining a high pass with a spectacular catch input gives you the best chance of triggering one of those highlight reel animations. For example, if you send a receiver deep on a streak route and throw a high pass downfield, you can take control of the receiver, hold the spectacular catch button, and often force a spectacular catch attempt. Depending on the situation, you will either get a standard spectacular catch animation or one where the receiver reaches out and secures the ball while continuing upfield. Just keep in mind that spectacular catches aren't always the safest option because the receiver is focused on making a difficult grab. Any contact from a defender can increase the chances of the ball being knocked loose. That's all there is to it. Throw a high pass, switch onto the receiver, hold the spectacular catch button, and let the animation do the rest. With good timing and a receiver who has strong catching ratings, you'll be able to trigger spectacular catches much more often in College Football 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.